A machine that never sleeps, a bot that never asks for a rise, a system that can write, fix, and ship code in minutes. So, where does that leave you? The human software engineer? Today, we are tackling a burning question in the tech world. Will AI engineers replace software engineers? With tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Devon writing production level code, it's easy to feel nervous if you are in software. But here is the truth, it's not that simple. Let's break it down. Before we talk about replacing something, let's understand what it actually is. Who is a software engineer? Software engineers design, build, test, and maintain systems. They don't just write code, they solve problems. They deal with system architecture, databases, APIs, security, debugging, and collaboration with teams. It's not just writing code, it's making systems work in the real world. What does an AI engineer do? AI engineers teach machines how to learn, then use that learning to build smart systems. AI engineers build models, train algorithms, fine tune data pipelines, and integrate AI into products. They work with deep learning frameworks, PyTorch, and TensorFlow, MLOps systems, data science, and feature engineering, model deployment, and monitoring. They are not always replacing developers, they are building different kinds of intelligence. Let's face it, AI's coding skills are getting scary good. Tools like GitHub Copilot, autocomplete on steroids. ChatGPT explains refactors and writes code. Driven by Cognizant AI software engineer. Code Whisperer from Amazon. These tools can generate entire functions, debug code, translate between languages, auto document code. So, yes, AI can write code. But is that the whole job? Not even close. What AI still can't do? AI can write code, but it doesn't know why it is writing it. Here is what AI still struggles with context. It can't always understand the full picture of your system. Architecture, it doesn't design robust multi service systems. Collaboration, can't work in teams, handle communication, or manage conflict. Accountability, it can't be held responsible when systems fail. Creativity, new patterns, clever algorithms, unique solutions. Still very human, right? AI is great at tasks, not at owning projects. How software engineers are evolving. Software engineers are not being replaced, they are being upgraded. Instead of fearing AI, software engineers are becoming prompt engineers, AI integrators, system thinkers, tool builders for AI workflows. Think of it this way, AI is like a junior developer who works fast but needs direction. You are still the lead engineer. What companies really want? They are not replacing you with AI. They are asking who can leverage AI. In job postings today, companies want developers who can use tools like Copilot efficiently, engineers who can integrate AI APIs, professionals who build smart, scalable solutions. AI aware developers are in higher demand than ever. The harsh reality what software engineers might face. Now let's talk about what no one wants to admit. The growing side effects AI is having on the software industry. As AI tools become more capable, companies are re-evaluating how many developers they really need. Here's what's already happening or is likely to happen. Less salary for freshers. With AI doing the heavy lifting, companies don't need to invest heavily in large junior developer teams. Many entry level roles are being filled by low code tools or AI co pilots. Hiring freezes or downsizing. Mid level developer who just write code are at risk. AI can now generate, refactor, and even test code, making some roles redundant. Less hike, more pressure. Developers are expected to do more with AI, faster delivery, fewer bugs, but with fewer salary hikes. High demand for AI aware developers only. Those who don't upskill or adapt may get sidelined, even if they were great traditional coders. AI engineers, on the other hand, are being hired, paid more, and treated as high value assets, creating a noticeable shift in tech priorities. This doesn't mean software engineering is dead, but it doesn't mean it's evolving fast. And not keeping up could be risky. Now, let me call spade a spade. Will AI engineers take over developer roles? Yes, but not in the way you think. Yes, AI engineers will automate some parts of coding, but they won't replace engineers who think critically, lead teams, build architecture, understand product needs, communicate effectively. AI engineers and software engineers will coexist. More likely, you'll need both skills. In a world where AI can already write code, what truly sets a software engineer apart is the ability to think, communicate, and lead. The future of software development is not just about who can code faster, it's about who can guide intelligent systems, frame problems clearly, and turn complex ideas into clear, structured actions. Communication is the heart of that. Whether you are aligning a team, discussing features with stakeholders, or crafting precise prompts for AI tools, your ability to express ideas clearly is your competitive edge. This one skill, clear strategic communication, will not only make you better than the tools you use, but also make you irreplaceable even next to AI engineers. The future is not just AI engineers or software developers, it's both in one person. Here are some rising hybrid roles: AI developer advocate, machine learning software engineer, prompt engineer with hands on experience in DevOps, AI augmented backend developer. If you learn how to combine AI tools with solid software engineering, you are irreplaceable. Let's clear up the panic. I used to get confused why people often misunderstand between these two job roles, AI engineers and software engineers. Will really AI engineers replace software engineers? Myth number one: AI will fully replace all developers. The truth is, AI assists, but it lacks full autonomy. Myth number two: you need to learn deep AI to stay relevant. The truth is, just knowing how to use AI well is enough to boost your productivity 10x time more than usual. Myth number three: coding is dead. It's impossible. Without AI, they can't create any AI models. So, coding is not dead. Will AI engineers replace software engineers? Only if you don't evolve. AI won't kill software engineering, it will change it. The smartest developers will learn how to guide AI, how to validate AI generated code, how to build with AI, not against it. If you are curious, creative, and always learning, AI will be your sidekick, not your threat. Software engineers are not going extinct, they are transforming. If you are a developer feeling uncertain about AI, remember this. You are not being replaced, you are being redefined. The future belongs to those who adapt, who learn faster, and who lead with both code and clarity. Keep exploring, keep leveling up, and stay close. We have got a lot more to build together. Let's not just watch the future happen, let's be the ones who engineer it.